Okay, so what was your question again?
Oh, what is the book name?
The book name is How to Be an Immortal.
Mortal means I don't know meaning about that word.
Mortal means a person who dies. Okay, we all are mortal. Yes or no?
We are all human beings.
Mortal. Okay,
Uh,
and immortal,
after
and immortal means somebody cannot die. Cannot
oh,
die.
but why you are reading that book? You are also die some after years.
Yeah, that's what I'm scared about. I'm fear about it, and that's why I'm reading How to Be Immortal and Immortal.
It is not possible, bro.
It's possible.
It is not possible.
Possible. Everything is possible.
But how? But how, bro? Could you please explain? But how?
But by reading this book,
Only this book leads to change your life. You
yeah.
cannot be a mortal.
Mortal means we are mortal means who can die. Okay, and
Okay,
immortal
okay, okay,
means somebody couldn't die like a god.
okay, okay.
The idea of
What are
God.
you doing? What are you doing, brother?
Where? Here, where I'm sitting right now.
Here, I'm not saying here. Your life about your studies or work.
Yeah, I'm a scientist. Okay.
Oh, I'm a meteor scientist. Okay, okay. What do you study about science?
I'm science. You know, I'm learning about our cells. Okay, in our bodies, our veins. I'm reading about history of the human evolutions. I'm doing bunch of
You
experiments.
are a biological scientist
Yeah, and
like
this
that.
recently, me and my teams are working on how to find the cure for immortality, how to stop aging. You know, yeah.
Brother, I am recently watched a video in YouTube.
Okay.
They are using some pills like that.
Well, it's
Ante
okay.
I don't know her name. I don't know her his name.
Mhm.
Here want to decrease his age. Try to.
Yeah, decrease means at least they have to stop the aging. Decreasing and stopping age both are different thing. Like we can stop aging, but I believe we require lots of years of study research on it, and that's why I'm trying
Okay.
to consume as much study material as possible, like books, theories. I'm reading about the scientists which had been there like 500,000 years ago. So we are trying to get information as much as possible, because there are some human beings that lived longer than a normal human being. Like there are some places in Himalaya, according to the news, they are able to survive without having food, without drinking water. So how is it possible? So there is something in your brain, subconscious brain, that they're able to figure it out, and their body becoming kind of an immortal. I mean, they can live longer at least. I'm trying to find
Okay.
out that.
You say you want to change my habits
Who's habit?
and food like that.
No, I don't want to change anyone's habit. I'm talking about how to be an immortal.
Okay. First of all, I appreciate you. You choose a good surroundings. You are in nature surroundings.
No, 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 bro. It's an artificial, you know?
Oh my God. It is artificial.
Yeah, it's an artificial. I'm using very expensive laptop, and my laptop provides me this kind of features. It looks very like portrait mode. Right now I'm in a portrait mode, and the portrait mode so good, damn good, I believe. So good. So you're not going to see any kind
Okay.
of, uh glitches, or like sometimes we use a portrait mode. The portrait mode you're not able to
Okay, okay, bro.
work it properly.
I'm understand. I'm understand.
Okay.
Okay, okay. But you have good communication skills. Why are you using this application?
Why am I using this application? Because sometimes I upload my videos on my channel.
Oh my God, this video also you upload your channel?
Okay. If you give me permission, then I will upload this video on my channel.
Yeah, sure. But what is your channel name?
My channel name is Learn English with JD. Learn English with JD.
JD means,
JD means J for jungle and D is for dangerous.
my God, I'm talking with dangerous person.
Don't mess with me. I'm very dangerous person.
Okay, okay.
Where are you from?
I'm from Andhra Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Good, good. Are you student?
Bro, I'm pursuing become computers final year.
Okay, okay. Got your point.
I want to learn English. I
I'm
want to
teaching.
improve my good
I'm yeah.
communication
I'm
skills.
teaching students as well online.
Brother, could you please tell me again your channel name?
Learn English with JD. Learn English with JD. Okay. JD you can see on the
Okay,
screen.
okay,
Okay. You can see that name on the
okay,
screen. JD. Okay?
okay, 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 brother.
I wish you all the
Definitely,
best
I
for
try
your
to
learning
sub.
journey. And whatever I have said about scientists and this kind of stuff, it was kind of, I was just making up stuff. I made up stuff. I was, exaggerating like I was lying, basically.
Mm, Brother, I'm trying to subscribe your channel.
Yeah.
Keep
You
doing.
watch couple of videos. You will love it. Enjoyed it. Okay then.
Thank you, brother. Time is over. Bye.
Bye bye. Okay, bro. So here we go. So how are you? How is the day going on? How is the day shaping?
Yeah, that's my day was good, and still I'm practicing.
Yeah. Could you
Yeah,
could you, could
so,
you could you tell me
so
something
what?
about yourself quickly? Because we have only 7 minutes
Yeah,
time.
yeah. My name is Satyam Misra. I'm from Delhi. I'm speaking to you from Delhi. I'm doing job in
Hmm.
private sector in a garment industry.
Okay.
Yeah, and nowadays I'm practicing with my English. So yeah,
Okay.
that's all about me.
Mhm. My name
Thank
is
you for
JD. This
listening.
site, okay? JD, okay? I'm born and brought up in Maharashtra in small village. You can see the background, okay? Right now I'm in my village. Uh, Currently I'm working as an online spoken English teacher. I train English speakers to attend an interviews and as well as they get fluence in English, especially when talk about daily situation, right? Daily scenarios. Yeah, it's all about me. So today our topic is you can see our topic on the screen as the only human left on earth. What would you do? As the only human left on earth, what would you do? This is your question. Here you go.
As the only human left on earth, what would you do?
Yeah.
Like it, what does mean? Actually, didn't understand.
Means
Like
means means
if I
everybody,
if I left,
you are the only
got
person on earth. Okay. You are the only
yeah,
one person left on earth.
if I only one person
One
I
person
left
left.
in the earth,
Hmm.
only one.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
uh, so what would I do?
Yeah, that's your question.
Okay, like what? If everyone gone, so what will I do alone?
Okay.
It's like I will never want to be like this. It's good if I also left.
Okay. Mm.
Uh,
Okay, you can ask me the
and
same question. Okay.
yeah, please tell me
Could you
what
repeat that
would
question?
you do?
Yeah. Could you repeat that
Yeah,
question?
as the only human left on earth, what would you do?
Yeah. Actually, honestly, I haven't thought about it before. But if I'm going to be left alone in the world and surround, the people who are living in surround me, okay, surround me, everybody is going to die. So what would be doing in that moment? Yeah, I will be very happy like for a couple of years because of the technology they are going to left behind like cars, expensive stuff, like big shopping malls, expensive shoes, cars, whatever, everything is going to be mine. Okay, so that is a good aspect of it. I mean, that is a pros of it, and cons of it that it could be very difficult to survive long time. Okay, in the long term it could be very surviving because there would be no one to talk to you. So
Yeah,
in that situation, what I'm going to do is I will find an animal. I love cats. Okay, so definitely I'm going to have at least one cat as my pet, and after that I will start to talk to them. But it could be very difficult. You have to learn how you are going to deal with the situation because living alone on your own could lead to A mental disability means you are not going to use your brain properly. In order to use your brain properly, you require real human interaction in a life. Yes or no? Suppose you're talking to yourself.
Yeah,
What will happen? There are a good amount of chances. There are good chances that you're going to be insane, mad person. Okay, so that is the one drawback from it. But I know there are some people who stranded on the island. Stranded means like a first guy, right, on island, and they know how to survive on them, how to plant plantation. Yeah, it could be very challenging according to me. Yeah. So, would you like to add some points on this topic?
yeah, like you said that I will enjoy, I will like wear expensive shoes and car. So you know who will show you, who will see your expensive shoes and expensive cars? Who will see?
That's
Like
that's
if,
that's a very good point. That
if
that's that
yeah,
that's very good point you have right there. I believe,
uh,
you know, see, I'm the type of person whenever buy new things, I don't like to do show off. There are some people who buy iPhone, they want to show other people. If they buy a bike, they want to call other people, their friends. Oh my God, I bought a new iPhone, or I bought a new shoes, I bought a new car, very expensive. So they want to do show off. I'm not that kind of person because most of the time I prefer reading books in solitary. I mean in a very quiet environment. So I don't like to do show off. Okay, I mind my own business.
yeah,
So I believe it's kind of a dopamine hit whenever you buy something. So you're going to have that rush of dopamine. That for a couple of days you're going to feel about good about it. Okay. For example, you're going to buy iPhone, very expensive. Okay. It could be worth of like 2 lakh or 3 lakhs rupees, and it's very new model, new version, new model. So for a couple of days you're going to feel good. Okay. You're going to have, oh my God,
yeah,
oh, I have very expensive phone. But after 1 month you will not take care of mobile phone.
yeah,
That
yeah, of
interest will
course.
disappear, fade away. That I believe.
Yeah, it is totally true. Yeah, I agree with your point. Yeah, so how long you are here on this application?
I've been 10 days approximately. I've been using this application for 10 days.
Oh, so you are teacher, like you are teaching
Yeah,
someone?
teaching. Yeah, I'm taking online spoken
All,
English classes. I teach students as well. I have all walks of life.
oh,
Yeah, I have many students.
oh, okay. So you are in your village, like it's a forest something,
It is
look
not
like
that forest.
forest.
It is a village. Surrounded by the nature, trees. Yeah,
Okay, it
not
is your
forest.
hometown, like
It's my village. A
home.
place situated in my village. Yeah. 100 meters from. I mean,
Oh,
200 meters from this place.
okay, 200 meter from your house.
Yeah.
Far from your house. Okay, nice to talk to you. I think our time is about to end. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.